Hello everyone, today I have one more dancing tip for you today, and this is about contratempo. Contratempo is when we dance usually at twice the speed of the normal tempo, so 2 times faster. It can be tough to move 2 times faster for a long time as well when we step with our whole weight on our feet, when we step with the heel and the front part and everything, and we take full steps. This is how we walk normally during most dances, yes? But to do this faster, to be more accurate and precise, it's really useful to step with the balls of your feet. This is both for leaders and for followers. So the ball of my foot is the front part of my foot. So I lift my heels up, and this way my legs are quite engaged. I engage my legs and I engage my torso to be quite strong, to not let my body be flexible. Because if you don't engage your torso, you might be delayed and also lose your balance while you move. So it's important that you are strong with your core and with your legs while you move fast. This way everything is tucked in together and I can move faster in any direction I want and with more precision. So lift your feet up while you want to go fast. It doesn't have to be this high up, but just a bit so that you can move faster. Yes? Thank you for your attention, and I'm looking forward to your new contratempo on the dance floor. See you next time.